Hello, welcome. Everybody wants to get better at ukulele, but very few people want to put in the work. The people who do want to put in the work don't know what kind of work they have to put in. You might be confused thinking, where do I start? What do I need to learn? And in which order? I want to tackle the different areas of your ukulele playing that you need to do in order to get better. And one of those is memorizing the high frequency chords. These are the chords that appear in most of the songs. Memorizing the chords is one element that will take your ukulele playing to the next level. In other videos in this series, I will focus on that one thing that you need to do to improve your ukulele playing. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and make sure your ukulele is tuned. I recommend that you watch this video every day for a week and then come back to it once a week until all of these chords are memorized. If there's a chord that is giving you a hard time, use the timestamps below to skip straight to that chord. Here are some minor chords that you will see over and over and over again. G minor. Make sure the hand is curved. You're not touching the other strings that you're not supposed to be touching. A mistake a lot of my beginners will make is that they have flat fingers. Don't have flat fingers. Curve. Here we go. G minor. 1, 2, strum 4 times. Next, F minor. Bring the hand all the way up. Look up real quick. Look up. Bring the hand all the way up and reach. It's not an easy one. You're gonna need to practice it. Let's try it. Strum 4 times. Do your best. 1, 2, ready, go. That's a funky one, right? Alright, here's one that you're not gonna like. This one's B minor. You can bar the entire 2nd fret and add the ring finger on the 4th of the string closest to your face. Or you can just bar the 3 strings that you're not touching. Find a position that's more comfortable for your hand. This one will take a little bit of work, so be patient with yourself. Come back to it daily. Strum 4 times the best you can. 1, 2, ready, go. Next, we have E minor. E minor is like a staircase starting on the 2nd fret. Again, keep the hand curved. No flat fingers. You shouldn't see the nails. Look up real quick. You shouldn't see the nails. It should be like this. You can't see my nails there. Here we go. 1, 2, strum 4 times. Ready, go. Next, D minor. D minor takes some pivoting of the hand. Look up, look up, look up. I'm going to pivot the hand so that the ring finger fits. Don't let the hand bleed into the 3rd fret. That's going to give you the wrong harmony. We don't want that. Okay, D minor. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 2, ready, go. Next, A minor. This is like a favorite because all you have to do is curve your hand and you're there. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now 7th chords. C7. 1st fret. Don't give me flat finger. Give me curved finger. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. A7. Just move that index finger up to strings closer to your face. Here we go. 1, 2, A7, go. E7, pivot the hand, look up real quick. Look up, look up, look up. Make sure that the ring and the middle are on the 2nd fret. Here we go. 1, 2, E7, ready, go. Nice. G7. Middle and ring, I don't know if you noticed, they stay in the same spot as E7. The only thing that moved is the index finger. Here we go. 1, 2, G7, ready, go. Now D7, I'm going to give you the Hawaiian way, and then I'm going to give you the full way. So the Hawaiian way is to do the index and the middle fingers on the 2nd frets of strings G and E. Now the reason this is called the Hawaiian way is because it's not complete. It's not a complete chord. It doesn't have the root, which is D. So to have a complete chord with the root, you want to bar the 2nd fret and add your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the string closest to the floor. This one takes some work because you gotta make sure they all ring. Choose your D7, let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Try again. 2, ready, go. They sound totally different, right? All right, now we're gonna do some flat chords, or flat sharp chords. E flat, also known as D sharp. Okay, skip a fret, pretty self-explanatory. Here we go, 1, 2, ready, go. I like that one, that one's cool. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do B flat, also known as A sharp. If you find out it's really difficult for you to do this shape, try it the same shape but further down the neck and kind of inch your way backwards to it. Because the frets here are smaller, so they're closer together, and the string action is just so much more easy to bend down here than it is over here because we have the nut. So try it a few frets down and then scoop back into it, and you might find that will work for you. So that's B flat. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. And another name for B flat is A sharp. Okay. You can bar the entire thing if you like that. And now we're gonna do the natural chords. Let's just go straight into it. The most popular one, C, 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Now pivot the hand, give me a G. You should know this one, so I'm gonna kind of zip through this. 1, 2, G chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, F chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Sweet. Now D chord you can do several ways. I like to squeeze these 3 fingers in there. Some people will bar and then add this one. Some people can bar all 3 without touching that bottom A string. I can't do it consistently, so I like this way, this way. So find a D chord shape that works for you. Here we go, 1, 2, D chord. Another way that you can play D chord if you like it is to bar the entire 2nd fret and pinky on the 5th of A string. And you get that beautiful high note. At the end of the video, I'm going to throw in a little bonus, by the way. Next, we have A chord. Pretty easy, almost like an F with the index finger just a little closer to your face. Here we go, 1, 2, A, ready, go. Sweet. Next is B. So you had A. If you notice, you have this like shape. So now if we want to move this way for B, well, now we have these 2 strings that need something. So the B shape is really just an A shape that we scooted up. And finally, everyone's favorite chord, E. If you want to, you can try and bar with the middle finger and the ring. Look, look, look. But I think I'm gonna make a dedicated E chord video because this chord is a pain. Okay, so the bonus that I want to give you is really use this shape here. I'm going to give you 2 shapes. This shape is for major chords. This is when a chord is just its letter name, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or A flat, B flat, G flat, whatever. Because if you know this, B flat, and you go up, you have B, C. See? You can play C this way or this way. And you get a slightly different tone there. C sharp, D, D sharp, you know, E. Here's another E. So if you don't like this E, then you can go up C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and find a new E. So that's for major chords. For minor chords, memorize, well, you have your A minor chord shape, right? You scoot down, you add the index finger. Now you have the shape for all your minor chords. So use those two shapes to really practice your majors. Don't be afraid of working your way up the neck. And for the minors. Have fun with it, and I'll see you in the comments. If you like this video and want to see more like it, let me know by leaving a comment down below and subscribing to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!